What if your tendency to procrastinate isn't a weakness, but an untapped superpower? Discover how strategic laziness can actually boost your productivity and well-being, the art of laziness, overcoming procrastination, and improving through liberated mindset. Procrastination and laziness are often viewed as character flaws to overcome. But what if we could harness aspects of laziness to actually improve our productivity and well-being? The concept of a liberated mindset toward efficiency can transform what we perceive as laziness into strategic productivity, redefining laziness as strategic efficiency. True, mastery of productivity isn't about constant motion, but about achieving desired outcomes with minimal wasted effort. The most innovative breakthroughs often come from people seeking easier ways to accomplish tasks. Bill Gates. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Many technological innovations emerged from the desire to reduce effort while maintaining or improving results. The procrastination paradox. Procrastination isn't merely avoidance behavior, it can be a subconscious prioritization system signaling that 1. The task might not be as important as we think. 2. We need more resources or information before proceeding. 3. Our approach needs refinement before investing time. Strategic laziness principles. 1. Deliberate delay. Not all procrastination is harmful. Sometimes allowing ideas to incubate leads to better solutions than immediate action. Research shows that moderate procrastination can enhance creativity by giving your subconscious time to process complex problems. 2. Energy conservation. High performers understand that energy management trumps time management. Being selective about where you direct your limited energy reserves ensures you have sufficient resources for truly important tasks. 3. Automation and outsourcing. Identify repetitive tasks that drain your energy and find ways to automate or delegate them. This isn't lazy, it's intelligent resource allocation. 4. The 80-20th principle. Apply the Pareto principle by identifying the 20% of efforts that yield 80% of results. Focus intensely on high-leverage activities and be strategically lazy about the rest. Practicing the liberated mindset to transform procrastination into productive. Laziness. 1. Question assumptions. Is this task truly necessary? What's the worst that would happen if it weren't done? 2. Asterisk. Set strategic minimums. Asterisk. Determine the least amount of work needed to achieve satisfactory results, rather than pursuing perfectionism. 3. Create friction for distractions. Make time-wasting activities harder to access, while reducing friction for valuable work. 4. Schedule strategic idleness. Build periods of deliberate rest into your workflow to prevent burnout and enhance creativity. 5. Practice productive procrastination. When avoiding one task, channel that energy into another valuable activity rather than aimless distraction. The liberated productivity system, a liberated approach to productivity, accepts our natural tendencies rather than fighting against them. Emphasizes working with your energy cycles rather than forcing productivity during low energy periods. Batching similar tasks to reduce context-switching costs. Using psychological triggers that make starting easier. Celebrating efficiency. Rather than hours spent working. The art of laziness isn't about doing nothing. It's about achieving more with less effort by aligning your work methods with human psychology rather than fighting against it. By embracing a liberated mindset, we can overcome traditional procrastination while building systems that make productivity the path of least resistance. Key takeaways: true productivity isn't about constant motion, but achieving desired outcomes with minimal wasted effort. Strategic laziness involves deliberate delay. Energy conservation, automation, and focusing on high-leverage activities. A liberated mindset works with your natural tendencies rather than fighting against them.